Hello everybody, my name is James Stevenson and welcome back to Subnautica. Now, I know it's been a while since I last played this game, but frankly, I was too busy getting over this fucking cold. So, with that being said, and also I was going to try and record a Resident Evil 7 episode today, but the goddamn thing has not been worked.
Caution, dehydration detected.
So, if I remember correctly, in the last episode of Subnautica, actually no, I think it was the first episode of Subnautica, was where I got scared to death by that big motherfucker. Okay, what the fuck is this locker? Okay, I don't want this. Okay, so, let's see. I want to check the fabricator. I want to see if I can get a knife or anything like that. I don't have any water. I can't get cooked food. Where the fuck do I get tools? Personal. Oh, here we go. Tools. Okay, so for a knife, a survival knife, I need silicone rubber and titanium. But I don't know how to get that. But we'll find out together, won't we? So let's go right back into the ocean and let's explore a little more. Hi! You're an interesting thing. Can I grab you? Come on, come here. Come here! Let me grab you! Come here! Ah, fuck you. Okay, so. Okay, so let's go back underwater. Is this an acid mushroom? Yes, it is. I don't want a fucking acid mushroom. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna check to see how I can like figure out more of this game. Alright, so Subnautica. So Subnautica, watch her. There's cheats for this game. Press F3. Oh! Ooh, that's cool. Press F8. Whoops, wrong fucking button. F8. Oh, that's cool. Okay, and uncheck the box. What box? To activate the console. Okay, there we go. And then press enter to type in command. Okay, so let's just what the hell do I do? Okay, there we go. So I have not figured out how to get more water because apparently I am dying of thirst here. So I need to find a an air sac of some sort somehow. I don't know how to. Air sac, come here. Hey you. What the fuck? I need a hunting knife. Ah, I caught you. Come here. Come here, you motherfucker. Got you, bitch. Ooh, a peeper. So that's what those things are. They're called peepers. Got a bladderfish. Why are they called bladderfishes in the first place? I don't even know. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get this motherfucker right here. Did I get it? No, I did not. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna try and pick up this peeper right here. Okay, so I can't pick up those guys, but I can pick up the bladderfishes. So but for right now, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to make. Okay, so I can't make cured food, but I can make cooked food.
Emergency. Severe dehydration detected. Seek fluid intake immediately.
You don't say. Okay, can I make some water? I can make some water. The sun is setting. Alright. Okay, so let's just have a snack. That brought my health up a lot.
Vital signs stable.
Alright. Okay, so. There's a beacon over there. Okay, so, with that being said, I gotta get more bladderfish so I can become hydrated again. Or I can just drink this. Slight change in water bottles today. Although that's just regular tap water. But anyways. Whoa. Oh, that is unusually close. Okay, so, okay, so my beacon's over there, apparently. Hey, that's a air sack. Come here. Come here. Come here! I'm gonna get you! Got you, bitch! Okay. Whoa, that was a boomerang? Where the fuck? I don't like the sound of that. Okay, what the hell are those things? Oh, that's a peeper, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like a peeper. I just heard a kind of a high-pitched beeping noise. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. Whoa, 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 whoa! Boomerang, boomerang, come here, come here, come on! I want to pick you up. Well, I can't do that now. Hey, another bladderfish. Why are they called bladderfishes, anyways? Do you like pee in these fish? Okay. Whoa. Never seen this before. Hey, you! Come here! Do you have time to talk about your great Lord and your Lord and Savior? What's this? Hi. How's it going? Okay. That's it right there. What the hell is that? Can I catch it? Ooh. I just caught a Gary fish. That looks cool. Okay, can I catch anything else? Okay, can I catch this over here? No, you can't catch those big guys. Sadly. Oh, hey, bladderfish! Where the fuck did you go? I swear I just saw. There you are. Come here! Come the fuck over here. Don't be scared. I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, wait. Yes, I am. You'll make a nice snack. What the hell? I grabbed it. Okay, there we go. Alright, now, let's get back to my whatchamacallit here. And let's get more water.
Caution. Mild dehydration detected.
You don't fucking say! Okay, I'm gonna make another water. Okay, I'm done here. Now I want to see what this.
Vital signs stabilizing.
What's this? This thing's weird. I just wish I could eat them directly. Okay, so let's make some cured food. Ooh, cured Gary fish. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to make a cooked Gary fish. Whoa, that is amazingly cool. Okay, let's use the fabricator again, and let's make myself more water. All right, so I didn't even fucking read that. What the hell did that shit say? Okay, so let's just eat this Gary fish, and let's drink this water. Let's just. Do I have any messages? No. Good. Babe. Okay, Gary fish. Cured Gary fish. The only flavor is salt. Okay, what's this? Base attached air pump. Ooh, I can use one of those. Pump more air. Okay, I'm gonna open my storage container. Holy shit, I have a lot of stuff in storage. I'm gonna take my eggs out because I have no fucking clue what they're really good for. I'm gonna take out. No, I'm gonna store one of my first aid kits just in case. And now let's just drop. You can't drop them. Okay, let's try and go out and then drop it. It's sunny already. Holy shit! Drop, 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 drop. Bye. Okay, so I'm at 67% health for food and 77% health, 77% health for water. So what's this? More quartz, titanium, titanium. Okay, why can't I fucking dig? What's this? Oh, another creature egg. I don't want this shit. Okay, what the hell is that? Hi. You look like a manatee. Are you some strange form of manatee? Okay, now let's go in a little deeper this time. What's in here? Oh, I just got some lead. Nice. Alright. What's it? Jesus, there's a lot of stuff under this thing. More titanium. What the fuck is that? Copper? Got it right before I hit the ground. And what's in this thing? Okay, I'm at 48 health. Oxygen. Okay, so I gotta get out of here. Otherwise, I'll die. And what the fuck is that? Oh, hi! No! No! Hi! Okay! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Let's get back to my home. Wait, where's that shit? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, so I need a repair tool. Let's. Holy shit, that stuff's closer. Wait, is this electronics? Yep. Repair tool. Where's the repair tool? What the fuck? I'm trying to find the repair tool. Where's the fucking repair tool? Hello, repair tool. Where are you? Oh, right there. Okay, so I need magnesium and crash fish powder. So right now I'm gonna try to figure out where I can get both of these. Magnesium. I'm pretty sure it's a little deeper than usual. Okay, so there's tools. Like, wait, what the hell? I don't know fucking clue what that is. Let me check my. Fuck off for a second, thank you. Let me check my thing. Okay, so I need I don't think I need titanium, but I really want to get that repair tool so I can repair. Fuck off with that beeping! Or not. Okay. Okay, so I need to find a repair tool. I need to find magnesium. And I have no fucking clue where that fucking bullshit is. But also I need crash fish powder. Crash fish powder. We're to find the crash powder in Subnautica. Okay, so crash fish plant. Crash fish is a plant? Oh! Oh wait, I just saw one of those. I know what the crash fish is now. And I know where the crash fish plant is. So now I know what to do to get crash fish powder. But I still have to figure out where to find magnesium. Okay, so where the fuck did I come from? I came from over there. Yeah, I did. Crash fish is right down here somewhere. I think. Maybe not. Okay, let's have another quick look around. Oh, right here. Right here. Yep, there it is. Creature A. No powder. God damn it. Okay, so I found the crash fish. Subnautica magnesium. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the. Fuck you. I'm gonna drop this creature A. And let it sink back to Earth. And right now, I'm going to try and find a different crash fish. Whatchamacallit. And hopefully, I'll be able to find some crash fish powder, which is what I need to create the repair tool. What's this? Salt deposit. Yes, I could use some salt deposits. And the reason for that is I can use the salt deposit to make magnesium with the fabricator, which is a good thing because I need the magnesium and the crash fish powder to make the fucking repair tool, and then maybe, just maybe, I can repair my holy shit, my communications display, and then maybe I can get rescued. But I'm not hoping for that. Okay. Let's go back down here. Is that another salt deposit? It is not. It's just quartz. Okay, what the hell is that? Oh, hi! Hi! No! Hi! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Nope! 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 Fuck that! Fuck that shit! Fuck that shit! Fuck that shit! Okay. I have just one question. What the fuck was that? I know I saw it in the first episode in my first episode of Subnautica, but I now expect to see it again. Hey you, come here. Can I catch you please? Got it? Nice. Okay. What's this? Sea glide fragment. Hi, can I catch you please? What the fuck are you? Okay, I'm gonna pick up the quartz. What? I heard something again. Holy shit, 3 of those manatee legs, dumbasses. Alright. I'm trying to find. Ooh, listen here. More titanium. I don't need no titanium. I need some salt. That was an acid mushroom. I don't very much care for those right now. Maybe. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna stay away from those because I know that's where those little shark like motherfuckers are. Hey, big fish, thank you. Okay. So I'm gonna stay away from those. I'm gonna pick up my beacon too because I don't think I need it right over here. I'm gonna place my beacon right over here. Okay, there's that stalker. Okay, I'm gonna go up a little bit. I need a survival knife before I go in for protection, in case those motherfuckers want to kill me. So, let's see if there's any crash fish down here. There probably isn't, but that's not stopping me. What's this? Writhing weed. I just thought of a funny Yo Mama joke. Yo Mama's so stupid. She thought seaweed was something that fish smoke. Yeah, Yo Mama jokes are terrible, but they're funny at the same time. I'm gonna see if I can go down a little deeper, right into here. Is that a crash fish? That's a crash fish. Hi, how's it going? Hi. No, you stay the fuck away from me. What's this? Anything in there? Nope. That was funny. Okay, so there was nothing in there. What's this little guy? Hi, how's it going? Okay. I can. Okay, what the fuck? What the hell was that? Oh, I see you! I saw you! What the hell are you? You're a poison fish, ain't you? Yes, you are. And you're having a seizure. Okay, so. Oh, no, you stay the fuck away from me. I swear to God, I have nothing. And I am afraid to use it. Okay, so, let me check my thing. Holy shit. Now, I'm gonna use the fabricator to make some, water again. And some food. Because I don't want to die of starvation. Nope, I'm not making the... Ah, fuck me sideways. Okay, I just need a boomerang. Okay, so, I'm gonna check to see what I need for... Fuck off. I'm trying to fucking choose. Glass. I don't need glass. I need some magnesium. I need 3 of those in order to make a, the fuck was it? I forgot. But the magnesium will really help me get the repair kit that I need in order to, and I just need some crash fish powder. Once I get this fucking magnesium, all I need is crash fish powder, and I can repair this, the damaged life pod systems. I can repair the communications relay. I can repair pretty much anything. But first, I'm going to drink you and eat you. Boom. Okay, now let's go back under it. If it's dark already, oh, holy crap. You know, I'm gonna we're supposed to have a knock on yet. Where's the boat? Okay, I'm gonna try and go this way a little bit. Try and find another crash fish and some more salt deposits. Because I could really use some crash fish powder. Hey, Boomerang, come here. What's this? Ooh, lead. Cool. Hi. Okay, fuck you. What the? This is salt deposit. No, this is quartz. Hello? Purple brain coral. Oh, that's cool! Alright, now I'm full up on oxygen. Okay, so now that we're full on oxygen, I'm gonna grab this. Nope, never mind. I'm just gonna run like hell. I'm running. Okay, I just really need to find another crash fish, and I need to catch some more stuff. If I want to. The sun is setting. You don't say. Okay, so I'm gonna try and catch this thing. Hi, come here, come here. Hey, no, no, hey, no, no. Where did you go? I fucking know where you went. I know where you live. You live in the middle of the ocean. Get the fuck back over here. Nah, fuck, I give up. Alright, so. Oh my god, it is really dark out here. I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna go back under. See if it's bright. Nope. That did jack shit. Hi, can I catch you, please? No, okay. Oh, I forgot about down here. Is there a crash fish down here? I don't see a crash fish. There's the crash fish home, and there's nothing in there. Hi, what are you? And where did you? Okay. Alright, get that rock out of the way. This was probably a dumb idea. So now I'm gonna go back under. And I'm gonna go back in this little hole because I hear a fucking stalker or something. Whoa. Alright. Is that a crash fish? No, that's a poison fish, isn't it? Yeah. I think so. Oh, hi, what are you? Got that? You got this little guy. I'm trying to escape from. So I'm trying to survive until I get rescued. It's just like Lost, for Christ's sake. But it's that they're lost on the beach, and I'm lost in the middle of the ocean! Anything else in here? Nope. Okay, I gotta go back up and get some air. Okay, I'm good. But I did manage to get one of these little guys. Oh, I didn't want to let him go. Come here. Come back here. I'm sorry, I lied. Okay, what's this? Well, I can't catch those guys, apparently. But I do want to catch... Ooh, crash fish! So funny. What's this? Okay, so apparently I can't fucking pick it up. Whoa. Another crash fish powder. Yes! Finally! Crash fish powder. And now I just need oh crap, I better go back up for some more air before I die. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here. Okay. No. Oh my god, that was so close. Okay, let's go back under. Okay, where was I going? Okay, I was coming from right up here, and I heard another crash fish. Ooh, why didn't I see the fucking brain coral the first time? Plop, 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 plop. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try and catch this little shit. Got him. Okay, so I got that guy. Hey, you, come here. Got you, too. Good. Is this a salt deposit? Fuck, inventory full. Inventory full. Okay. So apparently I gotta go back and I gotta make some stuff. Actually, you know what? First, I'm gonna drop some titanium. Let's drop 4 of those. Let's drop 3 of these. Let's drop 1 of those. And everything else we'll just store. Oh wait, I have this. I could have just used this to store it all. God damn it. I should think before I do. Okay. But I did manage to get some more. What's this? Ooh, flare. I don't want the flare though. I need some fucking balls. Okay, so let's make some cooked bladder fish. And let's make a cooked Gary fish. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I'm all set here. Now let's just drink, eat. Nice. Okay. Now I'm gonna store. I'm gonna check my storage. Oh, I have 2 salt deposits. Okay. I just need 1 more salt deposit, and I will have enough to make the repair kit. So let's go right back into the ocean and try to find 1 more fucking salt deposit. And if I can find that last salt fucking deposit, I can make the magnesium, which I can, and then I can make a fucking repair kit, which is what I need. Or if I somehow find magnesium, then I can just use that. Is this, that's titanium, quartz. Okay. That looks like a fucking ancient dinosaur, for Christ's sake. That's why I'm not going over there. Because frankly, I'd like to live for another 2 days. Yeah, I'm going to try and go in here. That was pointless. This tight quartz. The hell? Oh! It's dark right here. Oh, okay. So, if I can just find some son of a fucking salt deposit, then that will really help me. I heard a crash. What's this? Ooh, more crash fish powder. Perfect. I want to try and catch those bladder fish that I just saw. What's this? Hi, little guy. How you doing? Oh, I can catch it.
New creature discovered.
A whole fish? Oh, this little guy's so cute. I don't want to have to eat him. But I'm going to. Hey, bladder fish, come here. Bladder fish, don't fuck with me right now. Don't fuck with me! Where the fuck should you go? Oh shit, I'm lost. Better get back out. I better get the fuck out of here and go back up to the surface. Warning, 13 seconds of oxygen. Ooh, a Gary fish. Hit me, Bubba. Come on, hit me, you piece of shit. Fuck. Almost. Okay, so I'm gonna stay right here for a minute. There we go. And I'm gonna look around, trying to find a salt deposit. What's this over here? Titanium? Nope, nothing. What are you? Hi, how's it going? Okay. So I'm trying to. So like I said before, got that bladder fish. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find one final salt deposit, which I really need in order to make. Is this a salt deposit? Yes! Okay, now I finally got the last salt deposit. So let's go back to my base and let us create the magnesium and the repair kit. And let us also cook this bladderfish. Inventory secured. Fuck up. Okay. Sustenance. Let's make a cooked whole fish. And let's make a cooked bladderfish. Ah, fuck, I should have made it water instead of a fucking cooked bladderfish. Either way, I get, where's my magnesium? Here it is. And now, I can create... Boom! Repair tool! Got that part repaired. Yes. Now I just gotta repair this. And everything in my little hideout is repaired.
This is an automated bounce back from the Aurora mining vessel. Your distress signal has been received. An emergency relief team will be dispatched to your location. Estimated arrival time, 9 hours.
Oh, so I'm getting rescued now. Perfect. Okay, so can I repair this? No. So I got the repair tool, which is what I needed. But now let's see what else I can create. Wait, what the hell? Cured food. Oh, thank you. But right now I'm gonna eat these two nom. That was delicious. Okay. Equipment. Let me show my equipment. What are these fins? Silicone rubber. What do I need to make silicone rubber? I have no fucking clue. Synthetic fibers, electronics. Okay, I need 2 acid mushrooms in order to make a battery, which can give me something. And I forgot what it is, so let's just grab 2 acid mushrooms. Go back. And let's just make the battery. Perfect! Okay. I've been playing this for how long now? 40 minutes. Wow. I expected to play it for less. Let's just scanner, a flare, equipment. No, I need a freaking knife, damn it! I need silicone rubber to make a knife. So let's try to figure out how to make silicone rubber real quick. Oh, here it is. Creepvine seed cluster. I have no idea what the fuck that is, but okay. I'm gonna stay right here. Okay, so that is episode, I believe, 3 of Subnautica. I'm really starting to enjoy this game, and yeah, like I said, I'm really starting to enjoy this game. It is very interesting. I got myself really far today. I managed to finally make a repair tool, which is exactly what I needed to fucking to fucking get the freaking communication relay center repaired. And now I get rescued by divers in 9 hours. 45 hours. Fuck me sideways with a broom. No, put that broom down. Put that fucking broom down. Okay, so, like I said the first 12 times actually, that is Subnautica. I'm really enjoying this game so far. It's got an interesting concept. I've always been a fan of the ocean. I was expecting like fucking sharks or something to come out and kill my ass. But they did. So to all sharks that are not in Subnautica, I thank you. And to all lobsters that have not pinched me in the nuts yet, I also thank you. But I thought Subnautica would be a waste of money at first, but then I started to play it and started to record it just for you guys, and I absolutely hate to say it. No, let me kid. I don't hate to say this. I love Subnautica. It's amazing. The concept is awesome. You get to learn a lot about how to build stuff in the game, of course. And not in real life. If you have a fabricator in real life, don't use it. Get an expert to use it. Okay, so Subnautica. It's available on Steam. I'm pretty sure it's about $20. I will have to double check on that. I'm not sure what I'm going to record tomorrow, but you will expect another episode of a game. Either Resident Evil 7 or Five Nights at Freddy's 2, or Left 4 Dead 2, or maybe even another episode of Subnautica. But like I said the first time, I will put the link for Subnautica in the description below, so you guys can have a chance to check it out and buy the game yourself. But beware, this game is not for the faint of heart or people that are vulnerable to heart attacks, because this game almost gave me a heart attack twice! That fucking stalker scared the shit out of me. I'm not even kidding. So, hi Jerry. Dumbass. Anyways, I'm trying to check to see if my ball okay. I'm trying to see what episode of Subnautica this was. I'm pretty sure it was the third episode. It was most likely the third episode of Subnautica. If it's not, then shit. Yep, if this is the that was the third episode of Subnautica. So, before I clock off, I just want to say, I'm really changing my lifestyle a little bit. I have cut myself down to barely any beer. Well, who am I kidding? I have a cold. Beer tastes like shit when you have a cold. I've also cut myself down on other stuff. Not really. Not at night. I'm exercising for half an hour every day. Well, now I am. Except when I'm at work. Oh, I will be applying to a place on, I think today is Thursday, tomorrow or Friday. I'm not 100% sure yet. But it's a New England spice mixing company, and hopefully, if I get a job there, I can get myself my own apartment, and even better, I can get myself a desktop so games won't run as slow and laggy like balls. And I'm just hoping that this desk, hello. And I'm just hoping that this desk is still thin enough, or big enough to hold 2 desktops, because if I use this desk, then I'll probably have, I might have just 1 desktop. But if I do use this desk right here, I'm not sure if you can see it right there. This is a desk right here. But if I do use it, I'll have to use 1 desktop. I'll have to get all this shit off of it, or just move it over a little bit. I'll have to get this TV off. We barely even use this TV anymore. but I can put it in the bathroom and use it to watch movies. It's got a built-in DVD player, which is pretty cool. So, with that being said, this was episode 3 of Subnautica, and there will be episodes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, maybe 20 plus episodes of Subnautica. Not in one day. Not in one day. But this has been a 45-minute recording of Subnautica and about 5 minutes of me talking. And I know you don't want to see that anymore, which sucks, and you guys are assholes. So, with that being said, thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Tell me what you think in the comments below. How can I improve my skills in Subnautica? How I'm doing so far, and where to find silicone rubber so I can get that fucking survival knife and kill that goddamn stalker. And if you like this episode, then give that like button a high five, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!